Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Art by Julie E. I'm Julie E. And today I'm going to be working on these cute little metal hearts that I found. And I love watching Just Janice. Her videos are always right before mine. So if you've never seen her channel before, please go back, check it out. And yeah, she has great ideas for mixed media, alcohol inks. She does some pouring once in a while too. But one thing I've learned is that alcohol inks look beautiful on metal. That is one thing she has taught me amongst all the many other things that she's taught me. And so, yeah, and I started out using just the pad, and then I was like, no, let's go ahead and get the felt pouncer. You can get round or rectangular pouncers with the little felt pads. They come with spongy pads too. I don't have those. I have the felt pads, and they're just easier to work with. And we're just using one color. It is the Rosewood by Ranger Ink, and it's just a gorgeous, beautiful red. It has so many different tones to it, and the more you go with it and darker you get with it, it comes out kind of like a real deep, like the Bordeaux red of Arteza. It's just gorgeous. And then we're also going to be using Pinata brass, and I started out putting it straight from the bottle on my pouncer, and wow, you will see it really kind of took over everything. And the thing with Pinata brass is it likes to constantly rise to the surface when it's applied on top of other inks. Now, so it takes a lot to try and get rid of it without having to wipe it all off, but I managed it. But later on in the video, you'll see I switched to a 50-50 mix of 50% isopropyl alcohol, that is 99% isopropyl alcohol, and 50% of the brass, Pinata brass, put into a needle bottle with a couple little BBs to agitate it, keep those micas floating and everything. And that worked much better on the pouncer. It even helped reactivate the ink that was already on there, and yeah, it creates a really pretty kind of stippling effect or crackling looking type pattern when you apply it like this, and I think they came out really cool. And to help them dry, I just put the Christmas hooks on them, like the Christmas ornament hooks, and hung them from like a wire type shelf rack so that they could air dry. And that's also where I hung them when I sprayed them with the Kamar varnish, because you want to give them like 2 to 3 coats of Kamar varnish, and then you can go ahead and apply your UV protectorant varnish over the top of that in either the gloss or the satin, whichever you prefer. Yeah, there I'm showing you. See, that's how I'm going to hang them. Let's see, what else is there to tell you about? Oh, I have a collab coming up. It starts on Saturday, goes on Sunday. It is the Venom Art Fluid Express Christmas collaboration. I believe there's 22 of us participating in the collaboration. So please check your notification bell so that it's marked to all, so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. And yeah, please go back and check out Just Janice's video. She was right before me, and I will have the link for her video in my description. And I will see you towards the end of this when we go ahead and start putting the bows on them. I hope you enjoy. Let's put on some Christmas music and get into the holiday spirit.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know, we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh blows cold, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Deck the house. That's when the snow starts falling. I pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical, yeah, look where we were small. Someone's been here and there. The stock is wrong. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know, we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh blows cold, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh blows cold, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh,
Okay, we're back. They're all finished. Now we're going to add a couple coats of Kamar and let them dry in between each coat, and then give them a couple coats of the UV protectant spray and let those dry in between each coat. There they are. There's one where the bow is already tied, and I think what I've got next is I'm going to show you. I made a door hanger too, and yeah, I love this wire ribbon. It's very forgiving if you're not really good at tying Christmas bows. And I'm not good at all. I can tie a bow. I tie my shoelaces, you know. That's about it. All the other fancy bows and everything else, nah, I'm not that good at. So yeah, the wire ribbon, if you kind of layer it and just tie your regular bow, you can kind of, you know, fluff out the rabbit ears. Remember how you were taught to tie a bow with the rabbit running around the tree? Yeah, so you take the ears and yeah, just kind of pull them apart and foof them up, and they look a little fancy, you know. I think they're cute. But yeah, that's about as fancy as I get when it comes to bow tying. But it's really pretty when you hang it on the doorknob. I'll have it shown you here in a minute. See, isn't that pretty and kind of festive? So you can make a whole bunch of those and hang them on your doorknobs. It's nice because they're metal, so you don't have to worry about your ornament breaking in any way. You could do it if you have wood ornaments too. Flat wood ornaments would look nice too. Yeah, and there was the one of the tied already for the Christmas tree ornaments. So yeah, sky's the limits with whatever you want to do with them. I hope you enjoyed this. Please consider doing the UB2B thingies, the likies, subscribies, and sharies. And until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!